My body craves for green. Not the fake stuff that you screen. I need the real thing. The stuff that grows from the spring. I need the nutrients, the vitamins, and the minerals. That will make me strong. And keep me healthy and long. So give me some green food. And I'll be happy and good. Green food for a healthy life.
Hi everyone, and welcome to Health Mavericks. Today, we're going to be talking about stevia, a natural sweetener that's becoming increasingly popular. But before we get started, I just want to say that I'm not a doctor, so if you have any concerns about stevia, please talk to your doctor. Well, there are a few reasons. First, it's a very low-calorie sweetener, meaning that it won't contribute to weight gain. Second, it's a natural sweetener, so it's free of artificial chemicals. Third, stevia has a number of health benefits, including lowering blood sugar levels and reducing the risk of heart disease. Stevia is a zero-calorie sweetener, so it won't contribute to weight gain. In fact, some studies have shown that stevia may actually help you lose weight. Stevia is a natural sweetener, so it's free of artificial chemicals. This is great for people who are looking for a healthier alternative to sugar. Stevia has been shown to lower blood sugar levels in people with diabetes. This is because stevia doesn't raise insulin levels like sugar does. Stevia has been shown to reduce the risk of heart disease. This is because stevia doesn't raise cholesterol levels like sugar does. Some studies have shown that stevia may actually help you lose weight. This is because stevia can help you feel full and satisfied after eating. Stevia has been shown to improve gut health. This is because stevia is a prebiotic, which means that it feeds the good bacteria in your gut. The recommended dosage of stevia is 4-8 drops per cup of coffee or tea. You can also use stevia in baking, but you may need to adjust the amount you use depending on the recipe. Stevia is generally safe for most people. But there are a few potential side effects, including headache, nausea, stomach upset, allergic reaction. Stevia is a very safe sweetener, but there have been some reports of adulteration. This means that some stevia products may contain other sweeteners, such as sugar or corn syrup. To avoid adulteration, it's important to buy stevia from a reputable source. Now, I know what you're thinking. Stevia, that sounds like something a grandma would use. But trust me, stevia is not just for grandmas. It's a great sweetener for people of all ages. And it's not just for coffee and tea. You can use stevia in all sorts of recipes, from baked goods to smoothies. So, if you're looking for a healthier alternative to sugar, give stevia a try. You won't be disappointed. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video informative. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Bye-bye.